Unraveling the Phrase Go to Bed, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a commonly used English phrase, go to bed. Whether you're just starting your English learning journey or looking to polish your language skills, understanding everyday phrases is key. So, let's explore what go to bed really means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. At its most basic level, go to bed refers to the action of moving to your bed with the intention of sleeping. It's a simple phrase but is often used in various contexts. Remember, it's more about the action of lying in bed to sleep rather than just being in bed for other activities like reading or watching TV. Everyday usage. In everyday conversation, go to bed is often a suggestion or a gentle command. For instance, a parent might tell a child, "It's time to go to bed," indicating that it's time for the child to sleep. Questions and responses. You can use this phrase in a question, like, "Did you go to bed late last night?" Here, it's a way to ask about someone's bedtime routine. Idiomatic expressions. Sometimes, go to bed is part of an idiomatic expression. For example, to go to bed angry is an idiom that means to end a day while still holding on to anger or unresolved issues. Understanding the cultural nuances of go to bed is crucial. In some contexts, telling someone to go to bed might be seen as caring or parental, but in others, it could be interpreted as bossy or intrusive. It's important to gauge the relationship and setting before using this phrase. Let's put our knowledge into practice. Here are a few scenarios. 1. Role play. Practice telling a friend it's late and they should go to bed. 2. Question formation. Create a question using go to bed about someone's routine. 3. Idiomatic use. Use go to bed angry in a sentence describing a situation. Understanding phrases like go to bed adds depth to your English comprehension and usage. Remember, language is not just about words but context, culture, and nuances. I hope this video has been enlightening and enjoyable. Keep practicing, and don't forget to go to bed on time. See you in our next language adventure.